We all have sounds that we just cannot stand. For me, it's loud breathing. But for many people, it's the sound of chewing, loud, obnoxious chewing. I've heard people say that their one pet peeve is the sound people make when they eat bananas, which sounds kind of crazy, but it might be an actual condition. If you think you have this condition, you might want to mute for a little bit because we're playing a video. Stop it. You know what? I'm starting to get it.
Well,
the issue
who
is
chews
called
like that?
Some people are annoying when they chew. It's called misophonia, and this was found after a recent experiment at the University of South Florida studying misophonia, and it found that 20% of 483 psychology students surveyed experienced the same extreme reaction to this, which is a great dislike, inability to concentrate, to think, and they find it so distracting it disrupts their work. I mean, it's also been, other studies, I don't know if I believe in this, but other studies have said that misophonia can be linked to anxiety, depression, and OCD, while other researchers say that it is not a psychiatric condition at all, it's just a decreased sound tolerance.
Yeah, I can see that. Like, hey, if you get depression from hearing chew noises,
I think it would say...
that's probably linked to something else.
No, I think it's linked, it's not the cause of it,
right.
though. Like, maybe you have other issues that this is... it's related, but it's not the same thing.
Are triggered by chewing. Maybe you had a tough time as a kid chewing, and now you're jealous of everyone that can chew.
No.
Depression sets in. I get that. That's a classic tale we've all been through.
No, but a lot of people would have an extreme reaction to those sounds or other sounds. Like I said, I hate heavy breathing. It makes me, I'm a little bit worried for one day when, maybe I'll get married and I'll hear my husband breathing really loud and I'll find a pillow and I'll just make it stop. I'm very worried because it makes me enraged.
Wow.
It drives me crazy.
You say I'm the evil one.
I'm not evil.
Heavy breathing.
I have potential for evil.
Okay. Good. I think, hey, if you're chewing like that person in the video, you're just annoying. Let's go to the root of the problem. The problem is not with the people who find it annoying. The problem is you chewing like that. Learn how to chew, right? That's the thing. All things can be fixed with good parenting.
Have you considered you might have this condition if it is indeed a legitimate condition?
It doesn't bother me. Just no one chews like that. If someone chews like that, I would inform them to please exit the earth.
The hell up.
Yeah. Like, I don't care where you go. Just go somewhere by yourself. If you love chewing that way, you can do it. But you just have to learn that most of the world isn't going to like you. So it's just annoying. Like, again, I don't know if this is good. I'm glad these people...
at the students having extreme reactions. But what would you call what you're doing right now?
But again, it's not a condition with me.
You're going
just
crazy.
Stop being annoying in the world. Like, I'm glad these guys got paid to find out this word and everything, but I don't know if it's so much of a condition as it's like if someone was just buzzing like a bee for a long time, you're gonna get annoyed. It doesn't mean I'm scared of the sound of bees and it's making me depressed.
I don't think you've understood this properly, but I do love your reaction to this. If you feel that you do have this condition, maybe it's a good thing because a study from Northwestern University says that the most creative people are unable to filter out irrelevant sounds like chewing and other noises. So yay!
Yeah.
But that's just another study. We don't even, it's, take it as you will. It doesn't necessarily mean this is absolutely true. And of course, there's competing studies on whether misophonia is an actual psychiatric condition or if it's just a decreased sound tolerance.
Yeah.
I certainly get irritated pretty easily, and I think you do too, by weird noises. Audience, do you think you have misophonia? Do you have extreme reactions to annoying sounds like smacking, chewing, etc.? Maybe you have something different that irritates you. Let us know below in the comments, and please subscribe for more.